At okay na. Sensya. First,
Okay lang, start na
first
tayo.
time ko. Hello guys. So, by the way, ako yung trainer now, si Mark. Ang our topic for this month is daily workflow and reporting for wholesale and online arbitrage. So, overview for this is this training covers essential front-end sourcing, reporting, and communication processes to improve efficiency and clarity. Ito by the end of this training module, you will follow a daily structure, sources routine, create and maintain clear sourcing reports, submit accurate supplier updates, update, manage product leads consistency, and then streamline deal ends to end with an AI wholesale agent. So, ang agenda natin is introduction to daily workflow and reporting, structuring a daily sourcing routine, create sourcing reports, update product leads, then submitting supplier updates, tracking communications, presenting and justifying product leads, and then key takeaways. So, introduction to daily workflow and reporting. So, introduction, front-end sourcing is a vital for identifying opportunities. This training defines best practices for consistent workflows and accurate daily documentations. So, structuring and daily sourcing routine. Build a consistent and productive daily workflow. So, setting daily sourcing goals and priorities, time blocking for research, reporting, and communication, manage multiple sourcing channels efficiently, and end-of-day review and task carryover. So, for this, yung ginagawa ko, for example, so, pinaprioritize ko yung mga ano yung client, yung ah, immediate or needs attention. Saka ko ipa-follow through yung kung ano yung kailangan gawin. So, creating sourcing reports. So, document sourcing activity clearly and consistently. So, the purpose of daily and weekly sourcing reports is required data fields and formatting standards, organizing leads by status and priority, ensuring accuracy and completeness. So, uh, importante yung sa atin for daily and weekly yung sourcing reports kasi yun yung parang output natin sa client na kailangan natin ibigay. So, updating product leads, maintain up-to-date and actionable lead information. So lead status definitions, new, pending, approved, rejected, etc. Update pricing, availability and notes, version control and change tracking. So, avoid duplicate or outdated leads. So yung sa naman natin, sa lead information, yung products, approved na ba or rejected, and then yung pricing natin is up to date, availability and notes, and then avoid tayo ng duplicate or outdated leads. Okay, then submitting supplier updates. So communicate supplier information effectively. When and how to submit supplier updates, required supplier details and documentations, flagging changes in pricing, stocks or terms, and escalation guidelines for urgent updates. So when we are trying to buy the supplier information or the supplier leads, we have to check na kung tama pa rin ba yung pricing nila, yung mga terms nila, then documentation as well, importante yan kasi ah bibili tayo ng ng bulk sa kanila. So tracking communications, ensure transparency and follow through. So logging internal and external communications, tracking follow-ups and responses using shared tools or templates, and then maintaining professional communication records. So for me, usually I use Gmail for follow-up through regarding the uh, communications with the supplier. But some before I also use like Smart Scout. I'm not sure if you use it as well. Kasi doon maano mo na yung yung leads, dire-diretso siya na contact mo na, and then you can put up their information, and then you can follow through if na contact mo na balik or nag-proceed na siya, nagbigay ng information about their products and whatnot. Presenting and justifying product leads. So clearly explain the value and viability of each lead. So key data points to support a lead. So pricing, margins, and demand risk. Structuring lead summaries for quick review. Highlight competitive advantages, addressing potential concerns and objections. And then best practices for visual presentation and clarity. So kung magpresent tayo ng lead sa ating clients, ito yung mga key points na kailangan natin tandaan. So key takeaways, a structured workflow improves efficiency and accuracy. Clear reporting supports better decision making. Strong lead presentation increases approval success. Communication tracking ensures accountability. So yun lang po. Meron po kayong question?
Yes. Since ginagawa niyo po yung report, I mean, ito topic
Mhm.
natin, Sir Mark, meron pa po ba kayong ibang pwedeng i-share para halimbawa dun sa bago nating VA, ano pa yung mga
Ay,
important
oo nga
na
pala.
pwede nating i-add?
Exactly. Yun nga pala. Kasi ako yung AI expert sa group natin. So I'm checking on what are the AI tools that we can use to improve our sourcing. So meron akong yung binigay ni Miss Mitch is yung Bazaar AI, and then yung AutoDS, at saka yung Acacia. Yun yung tatlo na ano ko. So far, sa tatlo, kasi yung Bazaar AI, I know we're partnered with them. Pero when I tried using it, it's more of like ChatGPT, it's conversational. And then yung ano nila, nang tawag dyan, yung supplier nila is more on Alibaba, AliExpress. I'm not sure if you guys are or your clients are into that, but I know for a fact na yung mga supplier for US, they don't want Alibaba or AliExpress. So that's why I discourage using it, because we had a meeting with Sir Hagay. But I'm not sure because we're partner with them, so I'm not sure about that. Pero I highly recommend AutoDS. I'm not sure if anyone is familiar with AutoDS. May nakagamit na ba dito? Or
Wala,
wala pa?
ako hindi ko pa po na-try.
Oh, kasi na-try ko yun sa previous client ko. But however, ano yun ginamit ko for eBay. Kasi deactivated yung account ni client for Amazon. Pero you can integrate it with Amazon, eBay, Shopify, yung mga big e-commerce platform. So when I use it with eBay, madali lang siya kasi given na yung leads, so parang hahanap ka na lang ng kung ano yung magandang leads, i-check mo na lang. Siyempre, manually check mo pa rin kung maganda ba yung leads or hindi. And then mga legit yung supplier. Teka, pakita ko na lang sa inyo para AutoDS. Pero wala akong login. Ito na, wala na kasi yung client eh. So hindi ako login. Share screen ko lang.
Ginamit ko yan dati sa Facebook eh.
Okay, okay. Ano yung mo, key takes mo dito sa AutoDS, Kenneth?
Parang parang autocopy siya. Ikakopy
Oo,
niya yung
parang
buong
auto.
text ng
Exactly.
ng
Oo,
ng supplier
ang
tapos pwede mo na siyang i-upload kaagad.
oo. Ano siya, ang tawag niyan, um, parang mai-import mo na yung products. Pag na-integrate mo siya sa store ng client, pwede mo na siya i-import. So kung may supply, ah diretso na yun. Ang leads, diretso na yung sa bibili. Pero may, siya I'm not sure if pare-parehas lahat. But they have like 5 to 7 working days na masisend yung item. Parang ganun.
Maganda din yan siya kapag ginagamit niya yung Flip, Amazon to
Hmm,
Amazon,
Amazon to Amazon Flip,
Am-
meron din siya. Ganun.
Amazon to eBay, mga ganon. Amazon to Walmart. Maganda siya gamitin kasi kakopy niya na lang lahat tapos export mo na lang.
Hindi pwede. I-export mo, yun yung kagandahan dun eh. Export mo na lang sa store mo pag gusto nung customer, dire-diretso na siya, hindi, wala ka nang kailangan gawin. Ano na siya, parang automated na. Kaso medyo ano siya eh, medyo mahal. Ito, yung pricing niya. Ito yung Miss Pao, ito sana yung i-recommend ko na next tawag niyan, i-next i-training, if pwede.
Okay. So ikaw din
Hmm.
po ang magte-train yan.
Pwede, pero kailangan ko kasi ng account eh. Ayun no, medyo pricey kasi.
Ah, oo nga.
Mm,
Sige,
para
i-take note
para
ko yan.
ma-follow through. Yeah, yeah. Para ma-follow
Oo,
through. Pero yung
connected. Oo.
kasi integrate pa natin sa eh. Tsaka kailangan rin natin ng ng tawag niyan, ng confirmation sa client if pwede na magamit yung account niya. For example, gano'n. Sabi nga ni Sir Hagay na i-ano ko daw to kay Miss Mitch. Ang tawag niyan, i-propose ko daw si Miss Shane. Ayun no, ayun yung niya. So, yung starter is pwede kang mag-import ng 201 to 500 products per month. Tapos ito yung medyo malaki-laki advance, $50. Eto maganda to pag marami kang store, like let's say for example, meron ka Amazon, eBay, Shopify, ito okay to siya. Pero kung isa lang yung store ng client mo, pwede itong starter or yung lang, itong import. Pero mas prefer talaga itong starter kasi medyo mataas-taas yung products na pwede ma-import. So yun lang yung ko, Miss Pao, yung mga naano ko nung previous research ko sa AI tools
Opo.
na pwedeng makahelp sa atin.
Opo.
Hmm. Ito yung mga
Sige,
integration
actually,
niya sa Shopify, eBay, Facebook,
mm.
Amazon, Wix, Woo, Etsy, tsaka TikTok. So marami siyang
Oo.
mga tatas na plat.
Sige. Sige, thank you, Sir Mark. Thank you din, Ken, sa pag-fix ng
Salamat
ating
din.
online link. And tsaka sa pag-share. Actually, at least,
Mm.
um, makakadagdag. Pag kasi, ang nabalitaan ko po from training department is, parang gusto nila mag-focus tayo sa mga AI, di ba,
Exactly.
Mark?
Ako,
Kasi
yun
yun
po yung,
natin daw ang gusto.
apo. Kasi yung nag-meeting kami ni Sir Hagay, parang Miss Shane and Sir Hagay wants us to dive more or dive deeper into AI kasi yun na talaga yung parang future AI tools. Marami
Oo
nang
nga.
gumagamit ng AI tools. So we have to be, for us to be competitive and up to date with the uh, tools ngayon, we have to be more on AI tools na. Kasi yun na rin yung
Yes po.
ginagamit ng
Yes.
mga ibang
Tama.
VAs.
Yes. And yung iba natin dito na naka-attend, if meron kayong ma-share na
Oo.
AI tools, pwede nyo siyang isend sa GC natin or sa mga EVA leaders natin or sa akin kasi ipopropose natin yan. The more na meron tayong AI na ma-provide, much better kasi um, recently, lahat ng topics natin sa wholesale, pina-review yan sa akin, as in lahat ng topic. And napansin ko, pag hindi siya soft skill, wala namang AI tool na nagagamit doon. So, ito example lang ha, it will not take long na. For example, sourcing and qualifying, yung mga vendor engagement, di ba more on mga tools naman talaga sa Amazon na yung ginagamit natin. For example, like Kipa, yung mga ganyan. Puro tayo ganon. If meron sana kayong ma-discover na AI tools na kahit sa pinaka soft skill or soft training lang, if sa tingin nyo merong AI na pwedeng magamit na tool, share nyo kasi mas helpful siya since hinihingian tayo ng madaming AI tools na makakatulong sa atin. Pero yun lang, at least dito, sa first training natin, merong na-share si Sir Mark and eventually along the way pag meron kayong nalaman, send nyo lang sa akin if may bayad or kailangan ng access, ipopropose natin. If sa tingin nyo, makakatulong siya sa pa-product sourcing natin or sa any task. Mas gusto nila yan kasi hinahanapan nila ako ng AI tool, wala akong maibigay. But anyway, thank you Sir Mark for the training. I-propose natin to for the next training and
If
sige.
ano, yung
Mm-mm.
kung sino man sa inyo like merong tools na nakita na okay, pwede nyo i-ano sa akin kasi yun yung ginagawa ko for 3 hours per week. Naghahanap ako talaga ng AI tools na
Oo, ako din
makakatulong sa atin.
pinaghahanap eh. Wala akong mahanap. Sige.
Actually, kay
Salamat
Miss
po,
Mitch ko
Sir
to
Mark.
na ano,
Mm-mm.
nakuha yung mga AI tools na pinaano niya sa akin.
Okay. So, meron pa po ba tayong question
Mga
or
questions
gustong
pa ba?
i-add? All goods naman po tayo. Sige. Sir Mark, after ng recording, pa-share na lang din po and then send ko po sa ibang hindi naka-attend. And yun lang po. Thank you for attending sa ating training today. If may
Thank
question
you
po, message lang
guys.
po kayo. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you po.
Thank you po.
Thank you po.